Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Roblox without password. First of all, open the Roblox app. Instead of entering your username and password, look just below the login boxes for an option called Email me a one-time code or Quick Sign In. This feature allows you to log in without entering your password manually. Next, if you choose Email me a one-time code, enter the email address link to your Roblox account. Roblox will then send a 6-digit code to that email. Open your email, copy the code, and return to the Roblox app. Enter the code in the space provided, and you will be logged into your account instantly without needing to remember or type your password. If you choose the quick sign-in method, you will need another device where your Roblox account is already signed in. On that device, go to the settings in the Roblox app and select Quick Login. A code and QR might appear on your new device. Tap Quick Sign In, enter the code, or scan the QR code, and then confirm the request on the original device. Your new device will then log in automatically. This method is very useful if you forget your password or simply want to avoid typing it, and it keeps your account secure since it always requires access to your linked email or already signed in device. And that's it. Now you know how to log into Roblox without password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.